Calculate the velocity with which the ball strikes the ground. A corresponding diagram can be seen on the screen. There are mainly 4 equations which are used to solve questions related to the topic of vertical projectile motion. In this topic, it is advisable to choose direction of the initial velocity as the positive direction. Initially, the ball is thrown upwards, which will be considered as the positive direction for the rest of this question. In this case, acceleration will have a negative value, as it is always acting downwards with a magnitude of 9.8 meters per second square. The ball is thrown upwards at 12 meters per second. After a while, it reaches the maximum height and then falls to the ground. Its displacement is equal to minus 25 meters. 25 is the height of the building as the object falls from the top of it to the ground. The reason that it is negative is that we choose upward as the positive direction and the ball fell down. In the equations, the quantities which are already known are highlighted with a yellow color. The second equation can be used to solve this question as the only missing quantity is the final velocity. Initial velocity is 12 meters per second. Acceleration is minus 9.8 meters per second square. Displacement is minus 25 meters. Square of 12 is 144 and 2 times minus 9.8 times minus 25 is equal to 490. Square of the final velocity is 634. Final velocity can be calculated by taking square root of 634, which is equal to 25.18 meters per second. Velocity is a vector quantity, therefore we have to specify that its direction is downwards as well. 1 mark has been allocated for the formula, 1 mark for the correct substitution, and 1 mark for the correct answer. For vector quantities, usually 1 mark has been allocated for the specifying their direction.